Hi mga higala, welcome back to my channel. And today mga higala, maadto na punta sa baseball park kay si RJ gusto mo practice. So, kuyogi mi mga higala, tara! So, ang oras 7:29 pero tingnan nyo ang paligid, mainit pa.
The AC in this car to get so hot.
It's so hot in here.
It's so hot.
Okay.
A little bit hot.
There we go.
Okay, let's move.
Here's RJ. So, tara na. Magkalo ta kay grabe ka init. Okay. Oh, I have no eyeglass, RJ. Forgot. Okay. So ganina si RJ nag-practice sa ilang team niya karon.
Oh, you took Phil.
Moto na pud mi sa park kay mag practice ming duha. Okay.
To the soccer park.
Yep.
Not the playground. Soccer park. Farther. Farther. I think it's right
Yep, in here.
here. Should be around right here. Not here. There it is.
There is the park.
Ugly as usual. Nobody.
Nobody, that's good.
Not a single person here.
Oh, have there.
Yeah, no, but there's nobody who's got why.
That's good. Only us.
What is this place closed or something? Why do they always take out them soccer nets? Oh,
Tara.
car. Dum dum.
Tara, tara.
There's people here. I don't like that.
See, look at that. I don't go. You said only us here. What the?
I
A
don't
lot
like
of people in here. But the people
I don't
have a
like
lot.
that.
I don't like that.
Going to the field all the way over there.
Go in the shade, RJ.
All the way down.
Okay, here we go
Right
in
here,
the
right here,
shade.
right here. Nobody cares about straight. Go.
Oops.
Park. Stop. 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 Stop.
Okay. There we go, guys. We here now. Okay, mga higala, nandito na kami. Naanami diri mga higala sa park. Okay, mga higala, naanami diri.
Practice
So si
run.
RJ ni balik, ane, to ara yung mga butang. Oh.
Practice running.
Okay. Okay, jogging. Go. Ooh, nice here. Have shade, RJ. Have shade here. Nice. Oh, have no more baseball net here, RJ.
No, soccer net.
Oh, soccer net.
They're all there.
Awan ni mga higala.
Easy to play.
Tanawan mga higala. Nice. So clean. Indot kayo. Limpyo kayo. First of the year. RJ, come back in here.
Okay, mommy.
Yeah.
Which
What?
glove you want? This is your glove, okay?
Okay. That.
This is your glove. Softball glove.
Yeah.
Put it on now.
Hi. Mommy, to throw.
You're pitching.
Oh, okay. Okay.
I'm batting.
Okay. Ooh. Here, RJ. We go here in the plane, RJ. Here, RJ. In here, cause nice here. Here, RJ. This nice. RJ is there. What? Okay, go. Whoa, look at that. Why you cannot do that today? You practice. RJ. Hey, RJ. It's home run, RJ. Home run. Yeah, throw hard. Okay. Okay, RJ, come here now. Now we start now. In here.
You have to field the ball. Once I hit it, you have to field the ball and try to get me out. Strike one. Catch this one first. Stab. That ball. That's a ball. Oh, get it. Oh my God. Foul. Foul. Catch. Go.
I get
Safe.
this hot because it's no good. This
You're out.
not there.
Mommy.
Huh.
That was
The ball. You're next.
Here you go.
Woo.
Safe. How did you fail that?
What?
You could have caught it. You caught it, I would have been out.
You go.
But you tried.
Here.
Oh, water.
Here's RJ. Whew. Hangak pa more. Inom sa tagtubig. Init kayo. Ay, may naman din tubig. Okay, mga higala. Ilabay ni. Okay. So, ilabay sa nato ni. Nindot kayo. Ang park diri nindot. Limpyo kaayo. Kaya nagduwa ka tao nagbike. Napa dito duha kataw nga nag-red nagpula naglakaw si RJ naa dinhi. Grabe singot pa more pasingot pa ni ay na lang exercise gamay ka.
I'm hot.
Just slowly, not so fast.
I'll just tell you that. Yeah. Oh, Tommy, run! So I didn't fail that. You could have got it easy. You could have got a single. Yeah.
Ay,
You ready?
yep.
Foul.
Oh,
Go, Tommy, go.
it's foul.
Fine.
Yeah.
You lost. You're not, and I won.
Iyo. Medyo na.
Tommy,
You're pitching na.
you're batting.
I get the ball.
I'm catching.